Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing a new jacket. It is the Canada Goose Cabri hooded jacket, down jacket. I considered a lot of jackets, did a lot of research before I selected and decided to get this one. So I'm going to try it on with a couple of different outfits so you guys can get an idea of what to wear with it and what I like to wear with it and how versatile the jacket is. It's rated up to about 30 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And then where I'm at, it's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. It can be layered and can be very versatile, worn casually or even dressed up a little bit as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show y'all what we have today. All right, so let's go ahead and get it unboxed or unwrapped. Labeling from Canada Goose, signifying that it is the Cabri hooded jacket, black, size small. There's your Canada Goose bag. And here's your jacket. It's got the nice ribbing on top here, nice quilting. Kind of like a bomber type style jacket with the elastic waistband. Thumb holes, 2 side pockets, plastic zipper, and in here your Canada Goose label, your tag, your certificate or your tag of authenticity, and then in here it has the label, and a hologram for authenticity. It's also packable, so you can put it in this bag and contain itself. The label on this left-hand side of your shoulder. And then the horizontal quilting on the bottom and vertical quilting on the top. And on the back of the hood it has a 2 piping that are reflective. Let's go ahead and try it out. So here's the jacket with just a black polo, light wash denim jeans, and a pair of Adidas SL72 trainers. Nice and casual look. Okay, so now I've got it a little bit more dressed up with a black knit sweater, merino sweater, some charcoal gray trousers, and my Allen Edmonds black Dalton boots. Give a little bit more dressier look. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the video. Hope this gives you some ideas and some inspirations. Hope this helps you out in your search with your Canada Goose jacket. Was it worth it to me to buy this jacket? Absolutely. I love this jacket. Every time I put it on, it puts a smile on my face. It feels so good wearing it. It's so lightweight, so versatile. So yes, absolutely, it's worth it. Please like my video, subscribe, hit that bell for the next video, and I appreciate you. See you on the next video. Thank you.